no-bake chocolate peanut butter cookies. And whenever you're craving sweets, this is super quick and easy, and they're so good. Let's get started. The ingredients for our peanut butter chocolate no-bake cookies is 2 cups of sugar, a half a cup of milk, 1 stick of unsalted butter, 1/4 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, 3 cups of old-fashioned oats, 1 tablespoon of pure vanilla extract, and 1 cup of smooth peanut butter. Now we will begin by adding our cocoa powder, sugar, milk, and butter into a saucepan and put this on the stove on medium heat and let boil for 1 minute. Now you'll stir occasionally until it comes to a boil for 1 minute. Once it has begun to boil like this, let it sit for 1 minute. Now we will remove from stovetop. Now that our chocolate mixture is boiled, we will add our peanut butter to it and add our vanilla extract to our oats. Now we'll add our mixture into our oats. Now we'll stir until combined. Now we'll lay our wax paper out and get a cookie scooper to scoop out your no-bake cookies. We are all done, and we'll let them set for about 30 minutes or until they're ready to go. And mine made about 29. They're all done and ready to be enjoyed. Next time I'll be baking apple pie, and I can't wait to see you guys there. Bye, bakers.